Are those little dishwasher pods secretly clogging your drain? Let's find out. Dishwasher pods are designed to dissolve completely in hot water during the wash cycle. So, what's the problem? Clogs can happen when the pods don't fully dissolve. This can be caused by short cycles, low water temperature, or tossing the pod loose into the bottom of the dishwasher. D's. Leave sticky residue in your filters and drain hoses. To prevent this, always place the pod in the detergent dispenser. Use the right cycle with hot water and clean your filter regularly to avoid buildup. If you notice slow draining, water left in the bottom, or a bad smell, it's time to clean the filter and drain. Don't just blame the pod. Use correctly. Pods shouldn't clog your drain. Maintenance is the real key to a happy dishwasher. For more tips, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.